Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I am going to be using Pine Glo antibacterial kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. There's the active ingredients. No mention of pine oil, but it is made in the USA. I've not opened this yet, so it's still sealed up. And please pause if you would like to read something a little more carefully. There's some stuff it kills. Alright, let's open it. It's got an interesting smell to it. Doesn't really smell like pine, but 1 capful in 1 gallon of water. We'll see what it does. Here's what the liquid looks like. No clouding because it doesn't seem like it's got pine oil in it. But it smells good enough. And then, as usual, go over it a second time. It's not overpowering by any means, but seems like it's cleaning the floor quite well. And that's the main objective, is to have a clean house. And we're done with the mopping. And as you can see, it did pick up quite a bit of dirt. Water's quite a bit dirtier than it was when I started. So I'd say overall that's a good cleaner. If you're going for the strong pine odor, this isn't the one for you, but it is, I like it for what it is. So once again, this has been cleaning the floor with Pine Glo antibacterial kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. Thank you for watching.